What if I told you that adding just one character to your password could mean the difference between getting hacked in seconds versus staying secure for years? Today, we're going to demonstrate exactly why password length is your first line of defense against brute force attacks. I'm going to show you a real penetration testing tool called FCrackzip, and we'll watch in real time as password cracking gets exponentially harder with each character we add. First, let me explain what we're dealing with. FCrackzip is a legitimate password recovery tool used by cybersecurity professionals, but it's the same type of tool that hackers use for malicious purposes. This tool works by trying every possible combination of characters until it finds the right password. That's called a brute force attack. The key thing to understand is that as passwords get longer, the number of possible combinations grows exponentially. For example, when using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, that's about 95 possible characters. So one character equals 95 possibilities, two characters equals over 9,000 possibilities, three characters equals over 857,000 possibilities, and it keeps multiplying exponentially from there. Before we start, let me show you how to install FCrackzip. On Ubuntu or Debian-based systems, it's simple. Just run sudo apt install FCrackzip, and you'll have the tool installed. For other Linux distributions, you can use your package manager, Yum, Pacman, or whatever your distro uses. Now let's see this in action. I'm going to create 4 encrypted zip files with passwords of increasing length, 3, 4, 5, and 6 characters. Now for the moment of truth. Let's crack these passwords and time how long each one takes. Starting with 3 characters, you can see it's working to find a right combination. Password found, M2K. That took about 5 seconds. 4 characters, the tool is working harder now, testing through more possibilities. Password found, SK8R. That took about 30 seconds. 5 characters, watch this. The tool is working much harder now, testing many more combinations behind the scenes. This is taking much longer. Password found, N3WB exclamation. That took about 8 minutes. And now 6 characters. This could take a very long time. Let's see how much longer this takes compared to 5 characters as it searches through millions of possible combinations. Password found, TR0Y4N. That took over 45 minutes. Look at this progression. 3 characters, 5 seconds, 4 characters, 30 seconds, 5 characters, 8 minutes, 6 characters, 45 plus minutes. Now imagine if we kept going. 7 characters. Could take hours, 8 characters. Could take days, 10 plus characters. Could take years or decades. Today we've seen firsthand why password length is so critical. Every additional character you add to your password makes a brute force attack exponentially harder. In cybersecurity, time is on your side. The longer it takes to crack your password, the more likely an attacker will move on to easier targets. If this demonstration helped you understand why strong passwords matter, hit that like button, comment, and subscribe for more cybersecurity content. Drop a comment below and let me know if you've ever dealt with a password being compromised. No judgment here. It happens to so many of us. And remember, in the battle between you and the hackers, longer passwords are your secret weapon.